how do you file your taxes if you are late? So if you've missed the tax deadline, no worries. Filing late is common. And the key thing here is the longer you wait, the more penalties you might face. So the first thing you'll need to do is file your tax returns immediately, as soon as possible, even if it's late, because filing late is always better than not filing at all. First, all you gotta do is go to the irs.gov website and then click on File and then Individuals, or if it's the tax season, you should see this notification here where it says the tax, it's open for tax season. Click on e-file your taxes for free. And then you want to click on Guided Tax Software. Now click on Browse All Trusted Partners and choose a partner that offers free in all states if you qualify for federal return. For example, this one here. Click on the website and make sure to log into your existing account or register a new one if you don't have an account. And then all you gotta do is enter your income just like you would on time for any form such as W-2 or 1099 or other income forms. And this software should guide you through the process by questions, asking you questions, and then you fill the information to go through the process. And the system or the software will still calculate everything for you automatically. And if you owe taxes, you might get penalties or interest for filing late. But if you're getting a refund, you usually won't get or won't be penalized. So usually the penalties are when you owe tax. And once you've entered everything, you can review your return and submit it online as usual. And then all you gotta do if you owe money is pay. You'll be prompted to pay. And if you're getting a refund, you'll just wait for it to be processed. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.